Many have suggested building small or large nuclear reactors to solve energy pollution and climate problems. However, new nuclear is useless. Hi, I'm Mark Jacobson, Professor of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Stanford University, and here are the 7 reasons why. First, new nuclear takes 17 to 23 years between planning and operation in North America and Europe, and 12 to 23 years worldwide, versus 1 to 5 years for new wind or solar. So, unlike renewables, new nuclear cannot help at all to solve problems in the 10 years we have. Second, the electricity cost of the only 2 US reactors built in 30 years is 3.5 times that of new wind or solar, not including the $500 million per year for 200,000 years to store US nuclear waste, or the $500 billion to clean up Fukushima. Third, new nuclear emits 9 to 37 times the carbon and pollution per unit of electricity as wind, so nuclear is far from zero emissions. Emissions are from using fossil fuel grid electricity during the 12 to 23 years between reactor completion, from reactor construction and refining uranium, and from heat and water vapor released during reactor operation. Fourth, growing nuclear electricity proliferates nuclear weapons by allowing countries such as Iran to enrich uranium or harvest plutonium to build weapons. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change verifies this risk with robust evidence and high agreement. Small modular reactors increase the risk because they can be transported easily. Fifth, 1.5% of all reactors ever built have melted down to some degree. Sixth, most consumed uranium fuel rods are stored near a reactor, creating hundreds of radioactive waste sites that may leak for over 200,000 years. Seventh, underground uranium mining increases lung cancer risk in miners from the decay of radon. Wind and solar have no such risk because no fuel is mined for them. They need only one-time mining, not involving radon. In sum, new nuclear takes 7 to 22 years longer, costs 3.5 times as much, and emits 9 to 37 times the pollution as wind or solar. It also creates weapons, meltdown, waste, and cancer risks, which renewables avoid. Even in China, where nuclear is growing fastest, renewables are being built 100 times faster. Today's world nuclear output is even less than in 2005. Let's focus on what works, not gimmicks.